Welcome Year 8 to your Photoshop tutorial. What we need to do first is to open up Photoshop. So down in the bottom left hand corner where the Windows symbol is, click on that and find Adobe Photoshop and open up the software. Once Photoshop opens, we'll need to create a new document. So click on New and up will come this particular screen. What I want you to do is come over to the right hand side and I want you to press on the arrow and choose inches rather than pixels. And the width we want to be 10 and the height to be 8. Now if you need to change it from what we currently have here as a portrait orientation to our landscape orientation, then just click on that and it'll change. You can see that we interchange between the two of them and we get whatever we absolutely need. Pixels, we want 300 pixels per inch. That means our quality is good enough for printing. Background as white. So once you're happy, press on Create and up will come the actual working space. Now I just want to point out to you here that this is our layers palette, which is a very important part of the process that we'll be working on today. So make sure that you can see it. If you can't see it, this is where you will find it. Go to the menu bar above, click on Windows, and this drop-down menu will appear. Anything that has a check mark alongside of it means that it's currently available and visible on your workspace. And as you can see, Layers is on our workspace, as is the navigator. From time to time, we'll go back and look at history so that we can also go back a few steps if we make a mistake. So just so you know where to find that. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to import a couple of images that I've got saved into some folders on my computer. So I'm going up to the top here to the menu bar across the top. I'm pressing File and I'm choosing Open. And in here, inside my Save Pictures folder, I have a photograph of myself and also the superhero that I'm going to be using. So double click or just press Open and you'll see them open in your workspace. So at the moment I have my blank untitled file and my superhero file. I just now need to open up the image of myself. And you can either double click or press Open. Now across the top here we have 3 different files and each one of them is going to be important to the process of actually building the image I want to build.